This is the beat for you, physicist and cosmologist. Beat for the theory of everything. No space expanding, only light and matter. Let the universe breathe out in rhythm. Beat by beat, expanding feel. Space does nothing, matter does real. Energy flows out, that's the deal. Beat a la Savorinen, feel the real. Space is static, 3D stage. Nothing to curve, no cosmic cage. It cannot stretch, it cannot act. All events occur, but space is intact. Physical entities move and push. Intrinsic forces in every rush. Local densities rise and fall through infinite space that does nothing at all. No fabric tearing, no metric gain. No gravity well to bend the frame. Space is nothing, it just remains. All action comes from energy chains. Beat for you, physicist and cosmologist. No collapse, just outward twist. Beat for the theory of everything. Expanding light, the truth we bring. Beat a la Savorinen, cosmic ring. Energy flows, matter sings. Outward motion, eternal spring. Beat for everything, expanding thing. Light, discrete energy clumps, recycling out in constant pumps. Matter does the same inside. Internal expansion far and wide. Light and matter grow in sync. Relative scale, the missing link. Universe is not space stretch. It's matter and light that make the sketch. Everything expands into still space. No motion there, just a place. Energy flows, volume swells. All phenomena the balance tells. Old expanding light meets new. Inside clusters, fields renew. Faster light accelerates the old. Stretching wavelengths as we're told. Redshift is interactions marked, not space expanding in the dark. Between clusters, fields are thin. Less acceleration, smaller shift within. No clumping, dark matter game. Each density field expands the same. Pushing each other as they grow. Energy diffuses as they flow. Nothing gathers, all disperse. Expansion keeps the balance verse. Supermassive sources send trillions of fields that never end. When two giants pass so near, density fields align, appear. New expanding stars ignite. Rapid formation, outward light. Inside atomic cores we see congested zones of energy. They recycle dark energy out, creating particles all about electrons and photons born again. From energy spreading without end. Every component still expands. Matter and light, recycling bands. No electrons orbit around. Outside the nuclei, none found. But new electrons can appear when expanding photons interfere. Physicists think they already exist, but each experiment adds to the list. They create new expanding forms. Energy fields in constant storms. Time is relative, volume defined by energy, density, and space and time. As matter expands, the rate will show. Faster recycle, faster flow, slow density. Time moves slow, high density. Time lets go. Time is expansion measured through the energy each atom renews. Galaxies did not collapse to form. They expanded out from central storms. Supermassive fields pass near. Triggered stars that did appear. Rapid formation, outward flight. No gravitational pull in sight. Each object pushing as it grew. Expanding matter, making new. Sun's motion across the sky, an illusion. Physicists understand it, yet we perceive confusion. A falling, expanding apple must be pushed away from the Earth's expanding center. Sanding outward, it continues outward from the expanding Earth's core. But it moves slower than the expanding Earth's surface, which also expands outward. That creates the illusion of falling toward the center. The heart expands beat by beat. The body grows evenly, steady heat. Expanding chest compresses the heart, pushing expanding blood through growing veins. Each pulse a rhythm of outward flow. Expansion drives the system we know. The universe crafts perfect illusion. Falling apples and expanding blood, both in motion. Space does nothing, it only is. Everything happens within its stillness. Redshift is interaction, not expansion. Galaxies grow outward in reaction. Atoms expand, time flows relatively. And I drink what's time for a celibate. A, B, Bobby, it all the offspring. Space is stuck in never big beat for you. Physicist and cosmologist, speed a la Savorinen. But truth they change.